I am joined by our grand prize first place winners. Guys, tell me your team name and tell me the problem that you solved.
We are AI Anveshna team. So basically the Akshaya Patra is providing food for the needy people. They have to take account from the students, and also they have to check what is exactly the nutrition value they have to provide for the students. So basically everything they were doing manually. So we actually given a solution using a lot of parameters like the live student count, as well as we are using a weather condition on that particular location, as well as the government norms about the nutrition given to the students.
I love that. One of the things that stood out to me is how comprehensive your solution was. Navya, tell me a little bit about what this solution meant and how you were able to pull together so many different things.
The end-to-end process of the order processing within Akshaya Patra, it has multiple human touch points. Along with that, we had multiple areas wherein the person has to do a predictive analysis, right? I think that is where we thought agentic solution would be a great fit. Fortunately, we could able to orchestrate it very nicely with a Mozart orchestrator with all advanced capabilities that we do have.
So 2/3 of your team are already MVPs. So I'll say when I was judging these, I already had a very high bar of expectation for you, right? But your demo even went above and beyond that. I especially liked when you were able to have the agent make a phone call and get some feedback from someone who was essentially at one of these schools. Talk to me a little bit about that solution and what you were showing there.
We thought, okay, so we have to go with a new solution, not a simple like sending an email or WhatsApp message. No, that won't work, right? So in the reality, we have to do the call and they have to pick the call and they have to do the activity. So that's why we picked this solution, and Automation Anywhere is having that feasibility also to call the external agent like Twilio or any other agents from Automation Anywhere control room.
Tell me one key thing that you learned at this hackathon in the last 48 hours.
In a time-bound event, choosing the right product, choosing the right skill, choosing the right team is a very important. So now we have chosen Automation Anywhere. It's the best product to orchestrate any of the AI use cases we can think of, and we can orchestrate and we can implement that in the real time scenarios.
Love that. All right, team, congratulations. Thank you so much for joining us.